Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Dear student, I am Mr. Dana, ASF Public School and College Karachi. Last week I told you we will come and we will continue the part 2 of vowels in 5th week. So this week, assignment week 5th, part 2, class prep, subject English, topic vowels, O and U. Textbook pages number 7 and 8. In this page we will learn the new vocabulary, new words of vowels and reading also there. So teacher, I am Durdana Alam from preschool. First of all, dear student, I have told you in last week definition of vowels. Again I am telling the definition of vowels. So listen very carefully. The definition of vowels is a letter representing our speech sound made with the vocal tract open. Specifically the letters A, E, I, O, U. The letter A is an example of a vowel. A speech sound made with your mouth open and your tongue in the middle of your mouth, not touching your teeth, lips, etc. A letter such as A, E, I, O, U. Dear student, again you can see on this slide action of mouth. Is it clear? So dear student, listen to me very carefully. We are learning again the vowels. Student, what is a vowel? First of all, tell me what is a vowel. A vowel is a sound that is creative without blocking any sound. In speech, the vowels, your mouth is open and relaxed. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. I am going to tell you again and again. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants in English letters. Is it clear? So when sounding vowels, your breath forth freely through the mouth. Now let us see some words having the vowels O and U. So I am going to tell you references pages number. In this week we are going to learn page number 7 and 8. Dear student, on this page 7 and 8, vowels O and U. So vocabulary of O, read with me all of you. Doll, pot, frog, ox, clock, yo-yo. And vowels of U, sun, drum, hat, duck, umbrella, jug. Is it clear? So on this page, this one vocabulary, we are going to learn it, okay? Then open the textbooks, page number 7. On this page, we are going to learn the vowel sound O. On this page, same activity, read and match the words to the correct pictures. Okay, so read with me. D-O-L-L, doll. P-O-T, pot. F-R-O-G, frog. O-X, ox. C-L-O-C-K, clock. Y-O, yo-yo. So you have to make the correct picture with the vocabulary. Okay, now come on, the last question is new words we are going to learn. Given this one portion, new words we are going to learn. C-O-T, coat. S-P-O-T as sports. R-O-C-K, rock. S-H-O-P, shop. So come on the next page, number 8. Vowel sounds. You read and match the words to the correct pictures. Again same activity, okay? So read with me. SUN sun, DRUM drum, HUT heart, DUCK duck, UMBRELLA umbrella, JUG jug. So again you have to make the picture with the correct spelling. Now come on the last. Again we are going to learn new words of U sound. Okay, so BUTTON button, BRUSH brush, JUMP jump, BUS bus. So you have to learn the vowel sound of O and U and read this one vocabulary. Okay, 2 or 3 times you can read it at home. Okay, so dear student, after this lesson I hope student will be able to learn the vowels and new words. Okay, so we will come on next week with new lesson. Thank you student.